What is up, guys? MKBHD here, and this is the box. This is the Galaxy Note 9. So you might have already seen the first impressions video on the channel. Now we have the official retail box. This is the blue phone with the yellow stylus, and here's all the crazy specs. This is the 128 gig version and 6 gigs RAM and all that fun stuff, and figured what better place to do an official unboxing than on IGTV. So let's get into it. So little sleeve, kind of like you might remember last time, and then the magnet. So let's see what comes in the box here. Get our paperwork, SIM card ejector tool. I'm sure you're all familiar with that. Less exciting than the phone. And then there is the phone, and I'll get to that in a second, but we also have a little USB adapter, wall adapter, headphones from AKG, a full USB-C cable, and some other ear tips. And that's the exciting stuff, but here's the phone. Actually, I'm going to take this plastic off real quick, and this will be the cleanest that this phone is ever. I said in my impressions video that I liked the blue a little bit better than the lavender, and I think I still do. I don't know about you, maybe you guys can let me know in the comments, but that's what comes in the box. Definitely hit that impressions video to see the full first impressions and what you guys think of this, but bottom line is, this phone, even though it's not cheap, checks a lot of the boxes. Like you're going to have a hard time finding another phone that checks all the boxes this one does, with the storage and the battery and the S Pen and all that stuff with this screen. So anyway, that's been it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Peace.